Mr. Smith, point five of Mr. and Mrs. Smith here, and listen, this is how it's going to work for you. With you being a credit specialist, you're already connected to people who want to better their credit, but sometimes they may not want to pay somebody to do it. And it's an abundance of people who don't mind fixing their credit themselves. So for those who want someone to fix the credit for them, that's where you'll rack up and you'll make a ton of money in that area. However, it is money being left on the table because it's people who don't mind fixing credit themselves. So what they do is they go search different options and get a part of certain networks and groups that teach them how to do it themselves. But if you have a DIY solution, now you can say, hey, even though you may not want to pay me to fix your credit, I have a DIY option that allows you to restore your own credit yourself. And now you sell it to them inexpensively. They're able to fix the credit themselves. They're able to create testimonies for you and your business model. But at the same time, you didn't leave money on the table. Now, this is going to be your superpower. And I really want you to catch this. Because you're in the credit specialist, or you're a credit specialist, you're in the credit industry, there's a ton of people that you're connected to already who fix credit. The problem is over 75%, probably closer to 90% of them do not have a DIY option. So you are able to now, if you get access to the membership, the platform that I'm referring to that has the built-in DIY credit option, you're able to give them a solution to that problem because they're leaving money on the table as well as you leaving money on the table by not having a DIY option. So as you sell the membership to those who want to better their own credit, now you make money and you do overrides and you can position yourself to have residual income. But when you sell it to other credit specialists who do the same thing, they make money as well. So you solve their problem and you're able to earn leveraged income because you'll have a force or organization of other credit specialists who are interested in providing a DIY solution to their clients or other credit specialists. So it's a lot of money that can be made there. And I'm gonna just throw some numbers out there just so you can get a picture of why I said six-figure passive income and how that can be real for you. Let's say you had 100 credit specialists or a combination of credit specialists and clients that came through your organization and you sold them the membership, basically 100 people. Of that 100, let's just say 10 of the credit specialists said, you know what, this makes sense. I have a DIY solution. I want to sell this to my clients, but I also want to sell it to other credit specialists. Let's say 10 of them did the exact same thing that you did. Just 10 out of 100. No big numbers, no selling, no pipe dreams, things of that nature. 10 of them did 100. That positions you to have an organization of over 1,000 people, which will pay you a passive six-figure residual income. Now, of course, you could do more. Of course, you could do less. But I just want to make the numbers plain. So if you did 110 of those people did the same exact thing that you did, six-figure passive income because you're solving a problem that many credit specialists have, which is not having a DIY solution. And it's a lot of money, billions being left on the table for that very reason. So hopefully that makes sense. Let me know if you want access to the inexpensive membership so you can get started, or if you want to schedule a call, we can do that. I'll be happy to hop on the phone with you so we can make this real and definitely position you to create another stream of income passively, because we know as business owners, it's only a certain amount that you can physically do. It's only a certain amount of clients that you can literally take on unless you decide to hire out people or outsource things of that nature. So you need to have a way that you can still be making money while you're doing whatever it is that you do, and do it with leverage and passively. And this option allows you to do just that. Hopefully that makes sense. I am Mr. Smith. I look forward to working with you and putting some money in your pocket, and let's win together. Salute.